What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be installing some stiffer clutch springs that I got from Tusk, and I'm going to show you guys how to put that in, and also I'm going to be riding with them and see how they perform and let you guys know in a future video. So this is the OEM spring, and this is the touch spring, and you can definitely feel it's a little bit stiffer. Alright guys, it's all in, and now that I'm trying the lever, at first it felt really stiff. I mean, it feels a lot stiffer, but I think I'm gonna get used to it, and also if it is too stiff, I can always switch some springs out, put 2 or 3 OEM back in and mix it with these new ones, and that'll soften it up a bit. But that is supposed to help with the drive of the clutch and getting power down, so